I want to explain today about the structure of intuition. Intuition is your ability to understand something instinctively without the need for conscious reasoning. You just know that something is right or not right. You just know what you need to do in order to heal yourself and be well. So let me explain the levels of intuition. So let's look at the structure of intuition. There are several different levels of intuition. Intuition is just a general term, but it actually comes from different places in your body or from different energetic levels. When we talked about gut instincts, people say, my gut's telling me what to do. It is actually, we talk about the survival intuition. Survival intuition, we all have it. Animals have it. It's something you need to do for survival. It's what we call gut instinct. It comes from the third chakra. Solar plexus is responsible for gut instinct. It's your ability to act here and now. It's not in the future, not in the past, it's right here and now. For example, maybe I ask you questions right now, a sudden question, and you provide me a very quick answer. And this answer is correct. This will be a survival intuition, your ability to act here and now. Or imagine suddenly you got attacked by a tiger or somebody else. And your intuition tells you to run away suddenly or fight, maybe a person. So fight or run away response, it's survival intuition. So anything to do with here and now, it's the solar plexus chakra intuition, third chakra, and it's called survival intuition, gut instinct. There are other levels of intuition. For example, higher self intuition. Higher self intuition comes from the sixth chakra. Sixth chakra is in the middle of your forehead. It is also called third eye. And this intuition tells you what to do about your personal growth. And this intuition tells you information about something is not here yet. Like a vision or a picture of things which are not here yet, but you will be able to materialize this and create your own reality, materialize the things. All inventions are results of higher self-intuition. So everything what is invented, like books, computers, houses, whole objects, somebody visualized it first and then created it. So maybe you want to start a new business, but you need to visualize it first, like have a picture in your mind, and then you bring it into reality. So, but the picture is connected to the higher self intuition. Higher self intuition is really connected to healing. When people need to heal themselves from problems, any health problems, illnesses, conditions, to heal, it means you need to transform yourself. You need to create a different version of self. You need to visualize yourself without illness. And I notice that people who can't see themselves without a illness, they have difficulty healing, because the only image they have inside their mind is myself with the illness. They can't see themselves healthy. Therefore, they will not be able to create health. So you see, this is how sixth chakra intuition is connected to health. If you want to create anything, a better job for yourself, you need to visualize first what this job can be. You need to see a picture of yourself doing something different. And then you will be able to materialize this job or a relationship You need to see yourself having better relationships first before you materialize a better partner for yourself, or maybe you need to become a better partner for somebody else. So you still need to use your higher self intuition first to become a better partner, become a better version of self, to attract better relationships to yourself. So, and this intuition comes from the sixth chakra. So you see, higher self is connected to the future. Something is not here yet, but you will be able to materialize it. There are other level of intuition is called highest self-intuition, which comes from the seventh chakra. Seventh chakra, it's a crown chakra. And this intuition is about prophetic abilities. Prophecy is something, it's a rare ability actually. It's about foreseeing a better future for many people, and then your ability to take these people, maybe whole country or the whole nation, to a better future. And you are anointed with this kind of intuition. It's not your choice. It's like divine give you this ability, or you will never have it. So it's only some people have these prophetic abilities. People like Nelson Mandela had it, or Dalai Lama had it, maybe Mother Teresa in this category. So they were able to foresee a better future for nations and then take the nations to this better future. And this is not your choice. It's the divine choice to give some people to this ability, these abilities. But for most of us, we all have personal growth intuitions that come from sixth chakra. So all your inventions, like what you want to create in the future in terms of health, job, relationships, it's all sixth chakra. So we all have that. And seventh chakra, it's prophecy. So in your life, you need to be able to visualize something that you want to create in your future. For example, maybe a better you, better version of me. It means healthier, no illnesses, maybe slimmer, fitter. You need to foresee a better version of yourself first. And then on everyday basis, you need to rely on your solar plexus chakra intuitions to take you there. So you see, in life, you need to use both. Have a picture, sixth chakra intuition, and then on everyday basis, you need to make the right choices here and now, which take you towards this picture. And if people don't have a healthy sense of self-esteem, for example, people with low self-esteem, they can't materialize because on everyday basis, they do not trust themselves. They do not trust themselves to make choices, the right choices that take them to a better future, to the pictures that they envision. Or if people can't visualize, they may have good survival instincts, but if they can't foresee a better future for themselves, or a picture of healthier me, better me, picture of me having a better job, then they can't achieve things or improve their life either, because they can't foresee anything. So both are important, you see, both. You need to rely on solar plexus chakra, survival, gut instinct, and be able to foresee and visualize using your sixth chakra intuitions.